Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 11.3 question number 10. A company packages its milk powder in cylindrical container whose base has a diameter 14 cm and height 20 cm. Company places a label around the surface of the container as shown in the figure. If the label is placed 2 cm from top and bottom, what is the area of the label? Let us solve. Here you see, this is the label. This is 2 cm from bottom, and from top this is also 2 cm. This one is 2 cm. 2 cm. Now from here find the height. Total is 20 cm, but the top is 2 cm and bottom is 2 cm. That is 20 minus 2 minus 2. That is the height of the level will be 16 cm. Right? Let us write. That is height of the level. First of all, we'll write the height of the level. Height of the level. Height of the level of the level. Height of the level is equal to, height of the level is equal to 20 minus 2, this one is 2 cm, minus 2 centimeter, that is equal to 20 minus 4 centimeter, and that is equal to 16 centimeter. 16 centimeter. Right? And find the radius of the level. Radius of the level. Radius of the level. Radius of the level is equal to 14. This is diameter. 14 by 2 centimeter, and that is equal to 7 centimeter. This is the radius of the level. Therefore, area of the level, area of the level, area of the level, area of the level is equal to 2 pi r into h. Therefore, we are getting 2. Pi is 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into radius is 7 and height is 16 centimeter square. This 7 is 7. 7. That means we are getting 2 to the 4 into 16 centimeter square. We are getting 44 into 16. 4 is 24. 2, it is 4. 4 is 24 plus 2 is 26. 4 and 4. 4 and 4. 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. Carry 1, it is 0. 4 and 5, 6, 7. We are getting 704. 704 square. 704 centimeter square. This is the answer. This is the area. First of all, again you have to explaining again. This is the total height of the container, that is 20 centimeter. But it is given that if the level is placed 2 centimeter from top and bottom, this is 2 centimeter from bottom, and from top it is also 2 centimeter. That means height of the level will be 20 minus 2 that is 16 centimeter. It is given the radius of the level is 40, diameter is given as 14 centimeter. Therefore, level of radius of the level equal to 14 by 2, that is diameter by 2, that is 7 centimeter. This is the radius. And the area of the level will be equal to 2 pi r into h. 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 16. And we are getting 704 centimeter square. Therefore, the area of the level will be 704 centimeter square. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.